We offer shipping container offices. They're portable. People use them for construction offices or any sort of kiosk or office in the field. They're fully electric. We rent and we sell. If you want to rent, then you get them in 20-foot or 40-foot sizes, 8 by 20 or 8 by 40, and you get them the way we make them for our rental fleet. If you want to purchase one, we can make it any way you want it. We offer, fully insulated drywall, electrical, flooring, air conditioning, different doors and windows. We can make it any way you want it. If you're planning on renting an office for a year or longer, what makes sense is to purchase it and then we'll sell it for you for a small commission. We typically would get 80 to 90% of what you paid for it, a year and a half later. We also deal with the neighbor islands. However, renting on the neighbor islands doesn't make a lot of sense. We don't stock them over there and the shipping is rather expensive, but we can get one over there if you really need it. Sometimes we have customers that need it right now and nothing's available from anybody else. Our pricing is very competitive compared to our main competition, which is Hawaii Modular. Our setup is a simple $225 or $325 delivery. Those two prices are for $20 and $40 respectively. Our competition charges $2,000 to $3,000 sometimes for just setting up a container. They have to strap it to the ground, and ours are so heavy, don't have much wind resistance, so we just roll them right off onto blocks on site.